Hello everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your issues on the application of 8-ball poll. To know how to fix or how to solve your issues or problems on 8-ball poll, you should just go to settings. Then in this page you'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. After that in this page you'll enter to 8-ball poll. When you'll find this list of app info, you will enter to for stop and we click OK. After that, you'll enter to storage. When you'll find this window, you will click on clear cache. And in the end, you can go to turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.